How to create a Wizz account. So you can do this by registering inside the Wizz app. So just go ahead to your Apple Play Store or your Play Store, wherever you download your apps, and download Wizz itself. Then just go ahead and open the app. To do that, you'll see a sign in option in the top right corner or in the triple bar section in the left, whichever is the same. But once you press on sign in, you'll be able to see the registration section in the very bottom, since it will ask you if you already have an account. So since you don't, just go ahead and press on the register button. Then to register, you're gonna have to put in your first name, last name, your gender, date of birth over here, a valid email address that you will be using for your Wizz account, the country and region that you are from, then the mobile phone number that you have, and from what country it is from, and finally your password for that account. Then you're gonna have to check on the three boxes on the bottom. Once you've done that, just go ahead and press on register, and then the creation of your account will be processed, and eventually you will have an account on Wizz. So that's pretty much how you create an account on Wizz. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.